The Executive MBA is a unique, curated learning experience. Designed for seasoned executives looking to build on their track record of success, this transformational program leverages your strengths, knowledge, and ambitions to propel you to the pinnacle of your career. Providing an integrated blend of theoretical and practical learning, the Executive MBA combines individualized guidance, advanced business theory, and leadership development with networking opportunities that transcend industries and geographies. Highly regarded residential periods throughout the program enable the opportunity to meet peers and faculty and grow your professional footprint, alongside optional in-person experiences, including Global Immersion Week and the Global Network for Advanced Management Week. As well as employing a case method, we use a series of hands-on business sprints to provide invaluable practical learning insights. These real-world challenges with leading companies represent an unparalleled learning opportunity available only at IE Business School. The Executive MBA is designed to fit with your career, and our unique Next Best You approach makes this a learning journey tailored to your needs. One-on-one guidance throughout the program from your personal executive coach ensures your development plan remains on target and evolves as you do. And with a choice of mastery tracks to align with your professional goals and aspirations, this is a curated learning experience designed to transform you into the leader you want to be. But this is more than just an academic journey. To put the theories and skills you learned into practice, you'll take part in a series of business sprints, tackling real business challenges with top companies. Business sprints are fundamental to your learning in the Executive MBA. Running throughout the program, these practical scenarios will see you apply the knowledge, concepts, and methodologies you've studied to business challenges with leading organizations such as AB InBev, Mau San Miguel, FEPSA, Banco Santander, the European Space Agency. Guided by our expert faculty and mentored by leading business figures, you'll face a challenge for each key area of study designed to enhance your decision-making and leadership abilities. These learning experiences offer insight into the complex challenges businesses face and a hands-on opportunity to hone the skills and tools that you gain throughout the program. Highly practical and outcome-focused, you'll navigate the interplay between teamwork and stakeholder engagement to drive business success. Each area of study in the program is accompanied by a business sprint, ensuring you gain exposure to challenges across a wide variety of key functions, such as finance, operations, strategy, and more. Every business sprint culminates with a presentation to key stakeholders. Taking part in a number of business sprints across the program, you'll need to harness the power of diverse teams and viewpoints, refine your problem-solving skills, and push your boundaries. The Executive MBA culminates in the Board Readiness Module, designed to prepare you to thrive in any boardroom, and the final presentation, which will see you deliver your transformation proposals to an assessment group of active and former board members, complemented with vital career management sessions designed to shape your professional roadmap going forward. You'll complete the program armed with everything you need for future success.